Hi class. We are going to talk a little bit more about measurements today. Even though I'm not there, we're going to have our very nice guest teacher walk around and help you out if you have questions. But we're going to do a fun thing through our video chat. I am going to work with measurements and we're going to see different things we measure and what we can use to measure them with. So for starters, I have a few different items that look familiar to you. We have a pencil, a toenail clipper, a crayon, and chapstick. And I'm going to show you the paper clips that we're going to be using. And these are the ones we have in class too, so you'll have about, everybody will get about a handful on their desk. And we are going to do two different things. First, you're going to help me put these in order of biggest to smallest. And we're going to do it in length. So remember, that is the long way. So I'm going to take a minute and I'm going to pause the video. And you guys are going to look at these and just kind of see which you think should go in biggest and smallest. So you go ahead and pause the video, and then we're going to have the substitute teacher kind of help you out here. All right. I'm hoping you came up with this answer. It's probably easier to see this way, huh? Now, these are very similar. So it kind of takes some playing around with. But you'll see it makes a nice diagonal line down from biggest or tallest down in size. So 2 thumbs up if you did that right. And if not, these objects were pretty similar, so that happens sometimes. All right. Now, next, we're going to take our paper clips. And before we do anything, I'm going to have you write on your sheet of paper how many paper clips you think it will be for the pencil, the toenail clipper, the crayon, and the chapstick. So you can do the number 1, 2, 3, and 4. Go ahead and pause the video, and then we will see what you come up with. All right, did you have time? We're going to go through some of these here. All right. So, were your estimations very close or were they super far off? We could see that a pencil, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, is about 7 paper clips long. The toenail clipper is about 3. And remember, the crayon was very similar. It's a little longer than 3, but it's not quite 4. And the chapstick is just 2, a little more than 2. So this is a good way to think. When you're talking to your friends doing this project, you can say a pencil is about 7 paper clips long. And later we're going to find out how to make paper clips into inches or inches into feet. But right now we're just going to do how many paper clips could an object be. So we have a fun activity. The sub is going to hand out your worksheet now, and you're going to take all your paper clips and you're going to do it with your desk mates or partner, however the guest teacher thinks that you guys would be best paired off in. And you're going to walk around the classroom, and the worksheet is going to have different things listed, like textbook or the light switch and the chair or ruler. So your job is to fill out your worksheet and see how many paper clips. You're going to estimate first and take a big guess on how many paper clips the book long would be, and then you're going to actually measure it. So there are 2 steps to this worksheet, okay? And then you're going to go over them and see what kind of fun measurements you come up with. Miss you guys.